Tom had a perfect life, or so it seemed. He had a beautiful wife, Emma, and 2 young children. They lived in a lovely house in the suburbs, and Tom had a stable job at a marketing company. But Tom had a secret, one that would soon unravel everything. It all started when Tom met Lisa, a woman from work. She was charming, fun, and very different from Emma. Tom and Lisa started meeting for coffee, and soon, those meetings turned into something more. Tom knew it was wrong, but he convinced himself that no one would find out. After all, he had always been careful. He made sure to hide his phone, clear his messages, and keep his lies straight. But secrets have a way of catching up to people. One evening, Tom came home, kissed Emma on the cheek, and went to take a shower. As he was getting dressed, he realized his phone was missing. Panic washed over him. He rushed downstairs, only to find Emma sitting on the couch, holding his phone. Her face was pale. "Who is Lisa?" she asked, her voice calm but cold. Tom's heart raced. "She's just a colleague from work," he stammered. "Nothing important." Emma stared at him for a long moment before throwing the phone onto the table. "I saw the messages, Tom." Tom's world came crashing down. He tried to explain, to apologize, but Emma wasn't having it. She got up, grabbed her car keys, and left the house. Tom was left standing alone, feeling sick with guilt. For the next few days, Emma didn't come home. Tom barely slept, wondering what she was going to do. He thought about confessing everything to her, begging for forgiveness. But before he could decide, the doorbell rang one night. It wasn't Emma. It was Lisa. "What are you doing here?" Tom whispered, trying to hide his panic. "I need to talk to you," Lisa said. "I think I'm pregnant." Tom's head spun. Pregnant? This couldn't be happening. He was already losing his family, and now this? But before he could respond, a car pulled up in the driveway. It was Emma. She stepped out of the car and froze when she saw Lisa standing at the door. Without a word, she walked toward them, her expression unreadable. "Emma, I can explain," Tom started, but she raised her hand to silence him. "I already know everything," Emma said. "Lisa isn't pregnant. I spoke to her earlier today. She told me everything." Tom felt like the ground had been pulled out from under him. "What?" Emma's lips curved into a bitter smile. "Lisa and I have been talking for a while. She was never going to keep your secret. She wanted you to pay." Tom turned to Lisa, but she just shrugged. "You didn't think I was going to let you get away with lying to both of us, did you?" Before Tom could react, Emma handed him divorce papers. "I've already made my decision, Tom. This is over." Tom's world shattered. The twists of his deceit had caught up to him. Emma had known more than he thought, and Lisa had never been on his side. In trying to have it all, he had lost everything. As Emma walked away, Tom realized that his web of lies had only trapped him, and there was no escape now.